I've created a tool that simulates and visualizes vehicle blind spots. To use the system, first we need to set up the car geometry and mirrors. They need to be set to the correct layers and contain colliders. We also need to define raycasters. In our case, these are the eyes of this dummy. The system has two modes. I will first demonstrate the real-time mode. In this mode, an array of preset transforms are tracked and the simulation updates when they change their position and rotation. We will track the dummy head as well as the mirrors in this vehicle. After running the Unity editor, we can see the simulated blind spot 3D volumetric texture in the scene view. We can change some settings of the volume, such as the alpha or the rendering quality. We can configure other things within the volume texture generator component. For example, fade a fade out with distance feature. It's also possible to apply a slicer, so you can see a cross-section of the volume. There are two main colors that we can change. Allow me to change the default color to green. Now when we inverse the colors, we can see all blind spots in red and all areas visible to the driver in green. As I mentioned earlier, I'm using raycasters to simulate the driver's view frustum. We can show these via this toggle. We can also change some settings within each raycaster. The total ray bounces sets the maximum amount of time a ray can reflect off a mirror. Total horizontal and vertical rays configure the quality of the simulation by changing the total amount of rays cast. The horizontal and vertical angle sliders adjust the current angle of raycasting. I've set these to approximate human eyes. Ray iteration step affects the quality of the simulation, and keeping this number very low increases the time it takes but improves accuracy. This system supports mirrors, not only on the car but also external mirrors. It is also possible to have a ray bounce more than once of mirrors. Adjusting the configuration in real time is interesting, but if we change the system to animation mode, it will simulate each frame and play the whole sequence once simulation is completed. This can take some time to compute, but it's worth it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments.